Hello everybody, welcome. Today we're going to be cooking Forno the pizza by HPC Fire. Come with me. We're going to be doing some tri-tip steaks, and we're going to do that with some olive oil and some Italian black truffle salt. And we're also going to have some peaches, which we're going to have a cup of water and some 100% pure maple syrup from Canada. And then we're going to toast a little almonds with that, and then we're going to finish with just a simple Caesar salad. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to add some water to the peaches, and we're going to put some of this maple syrup right inside of the pan. It's going to be delicious. Black truffle, salt right onto the steaks. All right, we're ready to put the steaks in. They look nice. So we're gonna pull this grate forward. And this has been heating up a little bit. And we're gonna put the steaks right on there. Push it back. Okay, we're gonna check on these beautiful steaks over here. And we're just gonna flip them over. All right, I'm gonna grab a plate over here and take a look. Oh yeah, you can tell all that moisture is kept inside of these beautiful steaks. Look at these peaches, they are looking good. All right, here we go. The peaches are done. We got a nice little reduction here of the maple syrup. The steak is out. We're gonna put a little bit of this blue cheese crumble on top of it. And I'm gonna taste it. That is delicious. Very moist. Salt. You can taste the truffle salt. It's delicious.